In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change someone's name on iMessage application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. Then just enter a conversation. Now, as you can see, I got that user in my contacts book because it is showing here the name instead of phone number. And let's say I would like to change that name. Basically, guys, that is really simple. All we have to do is just tap right here. That will open up that user's contact info. In here, we need to tap Add Info. And that's where we can easily find Edit. If we tap on it, we'll be able to change user's first name, last name. Also, we can add company, email, pronouns, and a bunch of different other options. Once you have made all the changes, don't forget to tap Add Done to save them. In the same way, we can add someone to our contacts book. As you can see, that user is currently not on my contacts book because it is showing here just their phone number. In the same way, we can tap right here, then Info, and then if we scroll down a bit, we can find the Create New Contact feature or Add to Existing Contact feature. We can use any of them. Let's say I'm gonna create new contact. That's where we can enter name and last name for that user, and once it is done, to save the changes, I'm gonna tap Add Done. And now if we go back to Messages app, we can see that now that user is showing here with their name and username. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.